thought I'd do a video today that is doing a plain weave, a tabby weave. So I'm just using this card loom and I've just used neutral coloured string there. I say string because it is actually string that I've used. And I'm actually going to use some macrame rope because just to make it different really, rather than wool. We might do some wool in a bit, but so to start off with, I'm just going to measure off a couple of rows of this, just going backwards and forwards just to see sort of how much I'm going to need to cut off. I don't want to cut off too much because obviously you can get in a little bit of a tangle with it. I think that's probably about right. And then I've got a weaving needle, so I'm just going to thread that. I like to start on the top of the card loom, and we're going to do, obviously this is the warp, we're going to do the weft, which is weaving horizontally, and I'm going to lift up that first warp length and go over the top of the second one under. So it's a motion of over and under, and you just go as far as you can with your needle and you're just going to pull through. And I'm just going to leave a tail end hanging off the side there, so you don't need to leave too much. I'm going on an over, under, every other one until I reach the opposite side. And you can use either your fingers to push up my cord, or you can use your needle to push that up too, like so. So once you get to the other side, double check. I've ended on an over, so I'm going to go back the opposite way on an under, the opposite way, and once again I'm going to go as far as I can with the width of this needle, which takes me from this card loom about halfway across. And once again I'm going to just use my fingers there, because you don't want to have a gap, you want to have those right sitting side by side on another. So I've ended on an over, so we're going to go on an under, over, all the way the other side. And then I've ended on an over, so I'm going to go back on an under, over, and then I'm going to head back. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch colours. So I'm going with a slightly thicker macrame rope. I'm just going to take the needle off. If your rope or wool, it doesn't fit through the eye of the needle, like I don't think this one is going to, is it? Yes it is. If it wasn't going to, then I would just use my hands to weave through. So I only want to get 2 rows of that one. So I've ended on an over, so I'm just going to leave that tail end hanging off. You can trim it off if you like to. It's ended on an over, so I'm going to start on an under, and I'm going to head back the opposite way. Again, a small tail hanging off the side, and then we carry on to the other end as far as I can go. Don't pull it too tightly, otherwise it does tend to warp in a bit, so it's about enough. Back to the other end. Now that's all I want of that colour, and then you might switch to another one. And then I've just done several more rows with this bright pink, just to show you really that you can just play around with several different rows and different colours. You could obviously just carry on right to the bottom, but I'm just going to stop there, and you can either tuck and stitch them under, or you can leave those hanging out. Completely up to you. So if you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to subscribe and like and write a comment, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye!